everybody. I'm going to do kind of a different colors than I normally do. I'm going to see if I move you down this way, if it gets you closer to be able to see more. So then I can just stand. So I'm going to do a flip and drag. Well, more of a flip and pour the white around it and tilt. Flip and tilt. There we go. And I'm going to use, I've got Grumbacher Warm Gray, Grumbacher Phthalo Gold, Grumbacher Iridescent White, Grumbacher Cadmium Red Deep Hue, and Grumbacher Prussian Blue. I realize they're all Grumbachers, but they're very light colors, so, well, a couple of them are, so it shouldn't be too dark. I'm trying to get my gloves unstuck. And I am not using silicone. Just these colors are all mixed with Floetrol and water. I thought about spritzing a little WD-40 in there, but oh, should I? Yeah, I'm gonna. So it's a WD-40 in the black can. And I just spritzed it right in the flip cup, and then I'm just shaking out any extras. And now I'm going to start layering my paints. This cad red is so weird because it's more like a brick red. They look really pretty together though. I mean, it looks like it'll be a good color combo. A very mature color combo. Lots of Prussian blue because I love it. So that's 1.5 ounces, which will be good. This is a 12-ounce or 12-inch canvas. I have some paintings to resin that I'm putting off, but after this pour, I'm not going to be able to put it off any longer. I just need to do it. And varnishing. I have a bunch of others that need varnishing. I always put it off and then I just do like a whole bunch at once. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. Hopefully that's not all the blue coming out. Hopefully there's more that has sunk deeper in. Just tilt this white over here where it doesn't want to go. There we go. Wow, that's pretty. That was a lot of paint for this 12-ounce canvas. Luckily the colors are really pretty. So I'm just gonna give it a minute. See where the paint wants to go. Tell me, paint, tell me. Hawaii, Italy, this little area right here. Come on, man. Look at how pretty that is. You know, I've always shied away from gold, but it really is pretty. Gonna get that bottom part down, because then I can safely turn it. It's gotta get over this. See, it needs to catch on the side somewhere. Come on, get it. Okay. Gosh, I love these colors together. Wanting it to go off this over there. Now that it did, I'm going to bring it back a little so it's not so zigzaggedy. Actually, I'm kind of liking it. I may just leave it. I think I kind of want that off though. Whole bunch of bald edges. This canvas was used and cleaned a couple times before, so there is a chance. I mean, I did add the treadmill silicone, but there's also a chance that there was still silicone left on the canvas. which is always a possibility. Gosh, those are amazing colors. I really hope it stays cool. All right, I kind of torch from far away, fast. Yep, it's the WD-40 cells I like, the little teeny weeny ones, like these little teeny tiny ones. Those are the kind of cells I love. Not that little good guy though. Look at that. You guys can see there's gold that's going to be peeking up in there. Really pleased with these colors. I'm kind of wishing the magenta one I just did had more of these colors in it. And I may go back and add to it because it's still fairly wet. So I may go back and add to it. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Here, I can try and get you in a little closer to various parts. It's pretty sweet. All right, well, have a great day. Bye.